Kutools for Excel is a powerful add-in that provides various utilities to enhance your Excel experience. However, exporting data from Excel to HTML or a web page file is a built-in feature of Kutools. Nevertheless, you can achieve this by using Excel's own functionality. Here's a step-by-step guide to export a range of data from Excel to HTML. With the help of Export Range to File in Kutools for Excel, it is simple to export a range of data to a file that can be either an Excel workbook, a CSV, a text file, a simple HTML page, or an HTML page with all formatting. To begin, make sure you have Kutools for Excel installed on your computer. Select the range of data in Excel that you want to export to HTML. Make sure the range includes all the cells and formatting you wish to include in the HTML file. Click Kutools Plus, hover over on Import and Export option, and click Export Range to File. Check the Simple HTML option or Complex HTML, All Formatting option as you need. Then select the file options, such as background color, font name, size, color as you want to keep. And then click File button to choose a location to put the exported HTML file. And then click OK. In the popped-out Export Range to File dialog box, please type a new file name for your exported file. Then click OK, and the selected data in Excel has been exported to HTML file. Open the saved HTML file in a web browser, and you should see the Excel data rendered as an HTML table. By following these steps, you can export a range of data from Excel to an HTML file by using Kutools for Excel. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have achieved some valuable information. Please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.